Hello and welcome, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Let's start. So, this is a part 2 of the TV repair of that LG. I was trying to find a component which can fit, and I found 2. So let us solder them and see if the short will pop in or not. Fingers crossed not, because then we will have to order whole power supply, which, to be true, I don't want to. If possible, let's fix using spare parts. That's why I have them. It's so hot. It's unbelievable. I need to get my hands. Okay. Ooh, super hot. Ugh. I don't want to touch because I don't want to get burned. Okay. Now I need to hold it a bit longer because the ground is really... Oh, now went inside. Very good. Now the second one. They are the same, so it's fine. I'll give you the specification what I've used. It's not ideally the same thing. It has more power than can serve more volts or amperes. Comparing to the previous one. So fingers crossed, no issues. And customer won't come back. Yes? Get us a bit of solder here. Don't wanna create a short circuit, so yeah, should be okay. The second one should be okay as well, just a small touch. No, I can't heat up. Okay. Awesome possum. That's us. I can finish soldering. I'll check only if I've got no short. There's my meter here. Okay, so before with them on, we had, well, those faulty ones which are here, those two. We had a short on those pins. We don't. Okay. Oh. Should be this short here. Oh no. Yeah, it is. But on this one is as well. Okay, so let's say we can have this. If that will be okay, if that will give me a standby light, I can then think of changing this fuse, because this fuse has only small wire. As we need to check if we will have a standby light first. Then I can tidy up this room a bit. Okay. I'll grab only with 2 screws, but I will pause and I'll unpause, yes, so that you don't have to wait. Okay, so I've turned off the light and I tidy up here so that you can see. We expect here to have a light, okay? If we don't have a light, we need to see if there will be short here. It shouldn't be now because the meter is showing that there's no short, so let's do it. Let's plug it in. And we've got the red. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can, because I can see it. Now the question is, do we have a power? It's blinking. Oh, there is an error. There is an error, and the error might be that there is a problem with a backlight. Oh, I will damage my main board. Okay, this time with a backlight. Okay, and we've got a backlight. Look. Ooh. Voila. We get a picture. Oh, you don't see. Oh no. Now you can see. Yes, we get a picture. So it's fine. Guys, that's us. That's everything. I have to put it back to pieces. But I need to put that, how you call it, that fuse, proper fuse I mean, because the fuse I've used, it's not the proper fuse. It's just a small wire, if you remember from episode 1 of this LG TV. And I can take it to the customer today, hopefully. That's it in this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. As you see, 2 MOSFETs, yes, which I would have to wait and order from AliExpress or eBay, yes, which I will order to be true, because I want to have them in stock. If this happened, probably will happen to the next one. And I'm only ordering them when something's happening. Then sometimes I'm using them, sometimes I'm never using them. I don't have these, so worth. I'll order probably similar ones as well, like with a different values, because that's for the bigger screen, yes. So I'll order probably few. But anyways, hopefully you get value out of it. If possible, please do like, yes, the video and subscribe, because that's really helping this channel. And I did have this fancy yes. So yeah, let's do small improvements and let's help this world with a bit of recycling of those things. Hopefully you like this new thingy. Can make it on a smaller screen. Oh, that I made myself on the smaller screen rather than this. So let me correct this problem. Okay. See, because that's in the web browser. Hopefully you like this thingy. Our friend from marketing team have done it. She's done a great job, by the way, in my humble opinion. Please do say in the comment down below if you like it, or if you would change something in it. Please let us know as well. We can consider that. But at the end of the day, that's it in this episode. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.